I think I would first understand or pick one of these contexts. Am I really trying to understand or do more business analysis, or am I trying to make something useful, or am I, trying to position the company better? And that would determine how much money I want to spend or put towards the effort, and it determines how, what team you're going to assemble and how you're going to approach it. Um, I think for sure, first step is assembling a small team around the initiative. So you want to have someone who has experience in machine learning, um, understands the concepts and probably the domain that you're in, so that there's less time to onboard and get someone trained. And then I would, set some initial objectives around, what you want to achieve in that context, and be open to really having a more of a playground kind of aspect to it. I would put a boundary around it, let's say 6 months, and say, I come in with some assumptions around analysis of data and that I can derive some meaning from it, and I put together this small team and I say, go ahead and, try this thing. And I would check in, every few weeks or every month and see the progress. And you really have to lead it from that perspective where it's a kind of iterative and working with the team to see what value you can derive from the initiative.